Saturday, September 27, 2025. Saint Vincent de Paul. Focus: I will comfort them and give them gladness for sorrow. It is challenging to wait for the light at the end of the tunnel, particularly when it is long and dark. Sickness, fractured family bonds, the loss of a loved one, strained finances, and unfulfilled dreams all weigh us down. Yet, Jeremiah reminds us that no pain is permanent and that God's restoration is at work, even though we cannot see it. Fresh out of college, I had set my heart on joining a certain company nearby. Not wanting to relocate, when I did not get that job, I struggled for 3 long years elsewhere in poor working conditions, feeling trapped and uncertain. But in time, I reapplied, got selected, and my career took a happy turn. Even in our scattered moments, a caring shepherd guides us towards a joy we thought we had lost. Jeremiah's words assure us that God sees, gathers, and restores. This is not just ancient poetry, but a living promise. God is leading us toward a future filled with hope and joy. Saint Vincent de Paul dedicated his life to bringing hope to the suffering. He saw the poor, the sick, and the abandoned, not as lost causes, but as people in whom God's joy could be restored. His work reminds us that God's love can shine through us, bringing comfort to others. Fruit: in difficult times, I will find comfort in the Lord and hope in His joy.